Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and configure AWS Cognito for user sign-in, complete guide. Begin by navigating to the AWS Management Console. Log in to your AWS account. Once logged in, search for and select Cognito from the Services menu. Click on Manage User Pools to create a new user pool. Select the Create a User Pool button. Enter a name for your user pool in the provided field. Proceed to configure the user pool settings. Under the Sign-in Experience section, choose the sign-in method, typically email or phone number. Allow users to sign themselves up if you want users to register. Customize password settings based on your requirements. Next, navigate to the Attributes tab. Choose the attributes you would like to require from users during registration. Under the MFA and Verifications section, decide if you want to enable multi-factor authentication. Continue to the App Clients section. Click on Add an App Client to create a new app for your user pool. Name your app client and configure the necessary settings. Uncheck the Generate Client Secret option if you intend to use the app in a client-side application. Once configured, click Create App Client. Next, set up the domain name for your user pool. Go to the Domain Name tab. Enter a unique domain name for your Cognito user pool. Click Save Changes to apply the domain settings. After setting up the domain, navigate to the App Client Settings section. Enable the authentication providers you plan to use. Configure the callback URL and sign-out URL according to your application requirements. Scroll down and click Save Changes. Now, go to the User Pool ID and App Client ID sections. Take note of these IDs as you will need them to integrate Cognito into your application. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.